Hey guys, it's Agent Shuffle's brother here. This is my necklace. It's Blackbird. My sister got it for me for Christmas. And I have another Blackbird. A yellow
Aiden,
bird.
actually show it to the camera.
Okay, yellow bird. Red bird.
Mm-hmm.
And the ice bird best. Pig. I still loving a bird. I punch him, he's a bad guy. Keep that a secret. Green bird.
And they make noises too.
Yeah. Then
Brother bird. Show him brother bird, yo.
ice bird.
You already showed him ice bird.
Oh.
And then
That one doesn't make noise.
Nope.
And we have the bluebird. I want the big blackbird like this. My friend has it.
Ethan Fan.
You might be friends with his mom or sister. And I have whitebird. I want more whitebirds. This is my only whitebird.
So cute, Adrian.
Oh, this is a little keychain. You can put it on your backpack or something. See it open.
Beautiful.
And then, and then there is a bottom of caca.
Don't say that. Next bird.
Okay. And they have yellow bird. It's out of shape. Sorta. Fuzzy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then there's the white on the bottom, like all the other birds. Maybe not this one. Oh yeah, this one has it, but just a very, very little mustache. And then,
Is that all?
yeah, but I want to show you one more thing. I got a zipped up face sweater from Zoomies. My friend Jordan has this. I'm not copying him. I'll put it on to show you how it works.
We're in midair.
Oh, yeah.
And it glows up in the dark.
Yeah. Bye-bye. There you have it.
Really? Who's calling us?
Just stop it now. Peace.